If you have a child in daycare, you might want to listen up. Your student may be required to wear a mask while there.
The Commissioner of Early Education and Care was granted the authority today to implement a mask mandate for students and staff in EEC-licensed daycares. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo has those details for us live from Springfield. Audrey?
The policy would be implemented to protect kids in daycare, largely under the age of 12 and too young to be vaccinated. And as the American Academy of Pediatrics records another 200,000 COVID cases among kids nationwide just this week, the EEC commissioner says their guidance that they give to their programs on masking needs to be consistent.
We also want to make sure that we are providing clear requirements.
In the wake of the Delta variant of COVID-19, the State Commissioner of Early Education and Care expressing concern over young students returning to daycare. Tuesday, she was granted the authority to implement a mask policy for EEC-licensed childcare programs. The policy would require children 5 and older to wear masks indoors, along with staff members. It would also strongly encourage masks for kids 2 to 4 who can safely wear them. There are exceptions for those who can't wear a face covering due to behavioral or medical needs. The commissioner explaining the problem of COVID-19 among young children is growing.
Over 150 towns have indicated an incident in family childcare, and over 1,300 what we call group and school age center-based programs have had incidents in the past 2 weeks.
Western Mass News spoke with East Hampton Mayor Nicole LaChapelle, who says a program serving the town's children was recently affected by this very issue.
We just had a child care center, excellent health record, having to close down for a couple of days because of a COVID outbreak among children as well as staff.
Governor Charlie Baker, who was in East Hampton on Tuesday, responded to a Western Mass News question about the EEC Commissioner's request for authority.
As school starts and as people start incorporating more of those early ed programs into their daily lives, and I think it makes sense.
A state decision that Mayor LaChapelle knows might not be popular.
The fact that we're going back and forth around masks is unfortunate, but also a great disappointment.
Now, the EEC commissioner also asked the board for permission to implement policies that she says would address the staffing crisis that many child care organizations and facilities are facing this year. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.